Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. Today is your first time of seeing this video or you come across this video. Hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by guys. In today's video guys, I would like to share with you how you can use this onion. The red onion is very good. If you know what red onion can do for you in your life, you buy 1,000 of red onion. Red onion is very good in a spiritual way as well. People use it to get rid of bad energy. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use your red onions, how you can make use of your red onion. And red onion as well is very good to get rid of corn stone. If you have a corn stone, if you have a corn foot, if you have a corn in your foot, red onion is very good. Or if you have a ingrown nails on your feet or on your nails or on your toes, red onion is very good. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you can do with your red onions, especially when you are going to bed. This is the red onions and the color is red, guys. I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to be sharing with you what you can do with your red onions. If you are the type of person that you always have a bad odor, red onion is very good. It's very good to get rid of foot odor. Or if you have a dirty socks, you can as well use red onions. Okay, so we're gonna cut it first. So I'm going to now explain how we're going to be using it. So the onions look like this, guys. Going to get rid of the skin. You get rid of the skin. We don't really need the skin. This is the amount you need. If you are the type of person you always stand a lot, maybe you are a security or you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're always on your feet, onions is very good, especially particular red onions. When you are going to bed in the night, you want to be using your red onions. Red onions will help you to get rid of pain. If you are the type of person you always your work involve of standing and you always have the back pain, you know, sometimes when you stand too much you kind of have a pain from your feet, from the back. You feel pain all over your vein, and this is very good. It's absorb the pain. It depends how you know how to use it. I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be using it. It's very good when you are going to bed. When you finish everything you really need to do, you've had your dinner, you've done everything, you've done all the housework, then you want to get your onions and you're going to get a sauce. Don't mind my sauce. This is the only sauce I can find this out. So you're going to be putting this inside your socks when you want to sleep. So let's say this is the palm and you want to put wherever. It doesn't have to be on the feet or on the ankle. No, in the middle, in the very middle of your feet, in the middle. That is where the magic started. So you're going to place this like this on your feet when you are going to bed. When you lie down in your bed, you want to sit down in order for you to be able to wear your socks over it. It does a lot. It eliminates bad dream. All right? If you have any negativity around you, it helps it for you. So it sucks all the negativity, all the bad energy. So onions is very good. And if you have a swelling feet, it is also good, especially for pregnancy women. If you know you are pregnant, you always have a water feet. Use red onions whenever you are going to bed at night. Use it with the socks. You don't really need to apply anything. You know where the water is. You damp it in the middle of your feet, and you're going to wear your socks over it, and you leave it for 24 hours. That is why we normally use it whenever we're going to bed. It will help you to get rid of bad odor, feet odor, swelly feet, arthritis. If you have arthritis in your ankle, you have to use onions. Onions will help you to absorb all the negativity, all the bad odor, all the pains. Sometimes you can as well use horse oil. Horses oil. Horses oil is very good as well. It works like a red onions as well. But I recommend you, if you cannot find the horses oil, use red onions. They work the same. So when you are going back to bed at night, you use this. Consistency is the key. It refresh your toe, it refresh your feet, it gets rid of bad luck, bad feet, bad energy. It gets rid of all this unwanted odor, swelling, pain, chronic pain from your ankle. It gets rid of it. It works well with vein. If you are the type of person you cannot even feel your feet when you stand, red onions is very good. You use it every night when you are going to the bed until you get a better result. Always on my feet at work, especially when I'm doing night shift. So when I come home, I cut my onions and I put it on my bare feet, and I wear my socks, especially my night socks. So it helped me, it release all the pains. Give it a go, guys, and let me know what you think. If today's your first time of seeing this video, I want you to subscribe to this video. I want you to share this video. I want you to give my video thumbs up. Leave good comments. Let's chat, guys, and let me know what you think. I want to leave you with this. Stay blessed. Bye for now.